you know, thumbnails here and there. And yes, and yes, yes, yes. So I want to hop straight into the video. Welcome to Be My World. Thank you for tuning into this video. Hello. Yeah, I can't stop. I won't stop. Gliding through the air with no hair is how I feel with my head out of the window. Can't help but think I am cooler than the breeze. Make them shiver, let them know. As cool as I be, the sun still ain't hotter than me because I'm pure and I'm natural and I rock my afro. This is a video because I wanted to try the Crazy Puffs. So it's 4 of them. And that's cheesy bread is always super good. I'm just showing y'all. I'm trying to be polite. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Show y'all the stuff. The stuff. The stuff. Maybe this might be a thumbnail. Okay, maybe that'll be a better thumbnail. Excuse me, excuse me. Put me some onions on here, right? Maybe gonna hold you. Oh, but I don't got my sauce. They ain't got me no sauce for my cheesy bread or whatever. I feel a little bit rude from how I'm diving in. A little bit rude. But hey, this a mukbang. You feel me? This what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Okay. All I can tell y'all about today is I opened a lot of packages from the TikTok shop. I ordered a blow dryer, a split end trimmer, face exfoliator vibrating tool. I brought socks, ponytail wrappers, little other bathroom gadgets, tub scrubber, electric scrubber. What else? A shelving thing, and I might be able to insert a little clip of that in here when I edit it. But just so much different stuff that I ordered off the TikTok shop, but I opened majority of all those items today. Like, it's other items that I ordered off the TikTok shop that I opened a little bit earlier in the week or last week or whatever the case may be. But I opened a lot of packages today because I had time. And I ended up having time to do all of that while I was waiting for my boots to come. So I had ordered some moon boots, and I had ordered 2 pair, and I thought I ordered the wrong size, so I ordered size 42, 44. And I was thinking, oh snap, I ordered the wrong size. I was looking at the men's size, whatever. I was freaking out. I'm like, oh my God, whatever. Because in the women's I wear 9, and men's I wear 7.5. So I'm like, okay, dang. I thought that I had got the wrong size, but come to find out when the boots arrived, they arrived today, tried them on, perfect fit. However, don't know what size in them. I don't know what size my sister should get because she's not my same size. So I feel like if I feel like these pair of boots are my exact size or a perfect fit, then I don't necessarily think she should get the same size. So now I think she should size up. So does she just go to the next size, whatever? I don't know. Because at first I was thinking I needed to size down. I was thinking that these were going to be just totally too big, but they're my perfect size. So wow, that really ain't got me no sauce. I just wanted to confirm. I had to open that. I had to check the facts. Okay, I'm gonna try these. This is the whole reason for me to even get Little Caesars today. I'm good, and I could have went without them. I could have went without them. Tastes identical to the cheesy bread. How can it not, right?
What's that, onions? No, I got an hour and a half. Are you online?
No, I'm recording a YouTube video.
Eating that and onions? God damn. It's a...
I mean, everything.
Are those good? Those okay?
It tastes identical to the cheese bread. But guess what? They ain't give me no sauce.
I can't believe that.
No,
you need to call up there. You need to call up there because that's fucking crazy.
I don't know.
Not to have no sauce.
I don't know.
They're always supposed to give you sauce for cheesy bread. And those too. Call up there.
These things got so much oil on them, baby. I can damn pour something into a shot glass and it build up. It's so much oil at the bottom of this. I'm doing a mukbang. Muhammad, this so big as no.
We have one.
Muhammad.
Oh. I just wanted to sneak one.
You always winning something. You been up there learning that watch?
Yeah. I got it.
And he ain't got one Damn, that ain't no Apple Watch. It's a smartwatch. Yeah, everybody gonna think it is one. That's why I got it.
It is 36 degrees.
Okay, so anyhow, like I told you about my moon boots, they came, they my right size. Okay, cool. I was thinking from Friday till today, I was thinking, oh my God, I gotta exchange them, return them, all this different stuff. Ain't gotta do nothing. They're my perfect size. It went well. 42, 44 is my size in moon boots. Ding. But yeah, trying these little things, they good. They just taste exactly like cheesy bread. Excuse me. So I wouldn't really make. I don't really recommend getting it. Just get your cheesy bread. You know. I was seeing these online. They always looking so good. How much oil is on there? If I wipe that with a if I was to wipe that with a paper towel, you will be able to really see how much oil is on there. I would ask y'all how y'all doing, but the way y'all don't be in the comment section, I'm already knowing asking y'all is like, I'm winning the lottery over here. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. But yeah, no marinara sauce? What the fuck? No marinara sauce whatsoever. That's the main thing I wanted with the cheesy bread is the marinara. Not. Ooh, a sausage. A piece of sausage done fell on my food. Comment down below if TikTok being banned will affect you in any way, shape, or form. It's gonna affect me. I'm trying to grow on TikTok. I hate to talk with my mouth full, but hey, that's why we're here. I don't want TikTok to be banned. You can't control everything. If TikTok does get banned, I don't really feel as though it's gonna change anything. I feel as though whatever they want to achieve with the ban of TikTok is not gonna be achieved. Whether they have to ban TikTok to find out that did nothing or whatever the case may be. How I feel about it personally is y'all must want to stop that bag, and that's just it. You feel me? Like, that's how I received the TikTok ban. I don't know about you, but that's how I receive it. Like, oh, okay, let's stop the bread. Because that's an area where a lot of people can get a bag there. You don't have to be this, you don't have to be that, you don't have to and you can get a bag. Well-bodied, disabled, whatever you are, this, that, brown, yellow, green. You like fruit. You like meat. Whatever. You like games. You like sports. WWE, whatever case may be. You have a place on TikTok. And they're paying. It's people who, man, it's all types of ballers all across TikTok. It's people who pay their rent with TikTok. None of the people that I'm speaking on. It's people really getting it. If you can pay your rent with social media, baby, you're getting it. Okay? You're getting it how I'm trying to get it. For real. Y'all, I'm sad without that marinara. Being without that marinara sauce is sickening, okay? I gotta be up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Really? I gotta be up at 2:30. And I gotta take my mom. I gotta pick my mom up from work. She gonna get off at 3 o'clock in the morning. I put her on the job where I was working at, so even I was working at Target warehouse or whatever, fulfilling the ship drivers in my state and city or whatever, okay, so whatever the case may be. And yeah, I put my mom on that job because that job is a very easy job. And they pay good, they pay well, they pay excellent. So put her on, boop. I got fired at that job back in October. This month is March. Yeah. So, but yeah, she working there. But I was working there I was working there as a regular employee, but then I ended up being manager for like 8 months. So I ended up getting fired at that job because I couldn't de-escalate a situation between an employee that I was supposed to be the shift manager for that employee and all the other people that was underneath this company or whatever. I was supposed to be their shift manager or whatever. I couldn't stop a person from basically jumping on a manager at Target. How am I gonna stop somebody from knocking your head off when they want to knock your head off? Can't stop that. I can't stop nobody trying to knock your head off, mama. You know what I'm saying? You could have stopped this though. We could have stopped this shit by never having it be what it was. But you ain't have to do what you did to that girl. She couldn't control what you did. You couldn't control what she did. It was a total foul situation. But I couldn't control it. All I can do was watch it playing from my eyes. I was more shocked than anything. I'm knowing I'm getting fired. 2 seconds into me witnessing what's going on, I'm knowing that I'm out of a job. Like, that's the crazy part. Like, I was in shock when it happened. I ain't do a thing. You heard me? Ain't nothing I can do for you, ma'am. You already get on everybody's nerves. I don't like you. Don't care nothing about you. You're a coworker that the lady who got jumped on, I don't care about that lady. Target manager, I don't care about her. What business would I have caring about a manager at a place that I work? Caring for you is crazy. Being your coworker is being your coworker. I tried to play it cute with her. But she was, I know she was irritating them. Shit, she was irritating me. Every 6 months I turn around telling me, oh, talk to this person. Telling me to have talks with people. Like, baby, get off they back, man. That Target manager created a hostile environment by her style of managing, being a manager, from her style of being a manager, and that caused her to result of getting jumped on. And by the fact that the person jumped on them, I lost my job, which could have been a goal of the person's, but I don't know what the person got in mind. Maybe they want to put their partner in. I don't know what's the case, but she was so weird. Like, she just really get on my nerves and bug me. And I didn't enjoy working with her. Matter of fact, I hated working with her. You know? I hated that for me. Working with her. Like, I should have just did shit differently. But I didn't. 2 things I could have did differently. I feel like I would have still had that job. I could have switched my days and wouldn't even been working with her. I'd have still had my job. Or if I would have not went the day of my if I would have not went to work the day of my great uncle's funeral, I would still have my job. That was the day that it happened. That's the part. That's when it happened. That's when it happened. That's crazy. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to Be My World. I gotta cut it now because the video is long enough. Here it is. Bye. And my mouth is full. Hello. Yeah, I can't stop. I won't stop. Gliding through the air with no hair is how I feel with my head out of the window. Can't help but think I am cooler than the breeze. Make them shiver, let them know. As cool as I be, the sun still ain't hotter than me because I'm pure and I'm natural and I rock my afro.